Let's create an AVL tree. Here is a step-by-step example of creating an AVL tree along with the diagrams to illustrate each step. Initially, we start with an empty tree and insert first node. Now we insert 30. Next, we insert 20. Since 20 is less than 30, it becomes the left child of 30. The tree remains balanced. Now we insert 10. It becomes the left child of 20. At this point, the balance factor for node 30 becomes 2, that is left heavy, indicating an imbalance. Now we perform an LL rotation. After LL rotation, the tree becomes like this. Now we insert 25. It becomes the left child of 30. The tree remains balanced. Next we insert 5. It becomes the left child of 10. The tree remains balanced. Now we insert 28. It becomes the right child of 25. The tree remains balanced. Next we insert 35. It becomes the right child of 30. The tree remains balanced. Finally we insert 22. It becomes the left child of 25. This causes an imbalance at node 30 with a balance factor of -2, that is right heavy. Here we will perform RL rotation. After performing the RL rotation, the tree becomes like this. This is the final AVL tree. At this point, the AVL tree is balanced and the insertion of all nodes is complete. This example illustrates how each insertion affects the balance of the AVL tree and how rotations are applied to maintain its balance.